Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show us how to make Nigeria chinchin. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this chinchin. Here we have our all-purpose flour, our sugar, baking powder, nutmeg. Here is our egg. Here is our margarine and milk. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this chinchin. Stay tuned, join me, let's make this chinchin together. So here I'll be adding a little pinch of salt. It's optional, it's not compulsory. And as you can see, I'm adding the dry things first. And then going to be mixing it together. So I'm done mixing it, and now I want to add margarine. And Beatrice. So you're going to see how I'm mixing it. So you can see how it looks. You see how it's looking somehow wet. I've not added water or milk yet. So you mix it and it has to turn out this way. So it's time to add my egg and to mix it together. So it's time to add my milk. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of water. And then you mix. So I'm done. You can see how it is. See, it's bouncing back. So I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. And before I start cutting it to the size I want to start rolling and cutting. So here. Beatrice, stop that thing you are doing now. I'll beat you. Yeah. You're using kiss to bribe me, right? You're bribing me with kiss. Fry. So it's time to fry. You can see, just like this, and everything is going to rise up. And make sure you turn it so that it will join to each other. So you have to add large quantity of oil so that the chinchin you added to your oil will be able to float like the way my own is now.